And my mom,
비지링 성경 하우스.
I mean your name.
영그레.
So this is definitely vegan side dish. A lot of protein because the main thing is using tofu.
Tofu.
So it's a Tofu Jorim in Korean.
This is meat same.
Meat and tofu same. Yeah, because have a lot of protein.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get started. So her Tofu Jorim is, she makes it different every time, but she's trying her best to give you guys the measurement.
두부 조림도 very simple.
Again,
so,
yes.
follow easy. This is not a protein, so.
And Tofu Jorim can be definitely main. It doesn't have to be side dish. And I cut it in half in lengthwise. So you will need one block of medium to medium form tofu.
This 2 inch,
I would say half inch.
half inch.
Half inch
Yeah.
thick slice into little rectangle. Not rectangle. What do you call it? Square. And we are going to pan fry them first, so they will have a nice texture. So
Yeah.
you heat a large skillet over medium-high heat,
Yeah.
and then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil.
Yeah.
Woo! So hot. That's the sizzle we want.
Careful.
You be careful.
Yeah. I'm fine.
We're trying to make them nice and golden brown.
Yeah. I'm gonna starting the sauce.
Okay, she's gonna make the sauce for the Tofu Jorim.
Yeah, I'm gonna go garlic. I love garlic.
Uh-huh.
So garlic is this one to very healthy.
So how many garlic?
Just this much, and then you wanna do more. I love garlic. So
많이 들어가네.
I put not a garlic, my style.
So far 5 cloves of garlic and 6. That's a lot of garlic.
Yeah, I love garlic.
So 10 cloves of garlic. Nice. Either
Okay.
smashing it and finely chopped
Yeah.
like that.
I put in the green onion. Chop. Easy chop.
We are using like a regular Korean green onion, which is we call 대파, like a large green onion. So that's about 1/3 cup. So you will need maybe like 3 to 4 green onions, like a regular size green onions.
I'm gonna put in the red pepper.
고춧가루.
Yeah, just one and half.
I would say
enough.
2 because the first one was a very heaping tablespoon. So
And
2
then-
tablespoons of gochugaru. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
1,
2.
3.
Then
Maple
I love
syrup.
the maple syrup.
Her favorite ingredients in the kitchen.
I don't like sugar, so white sugar. So I love this.
2.
Yes.
2 maple syrup.
Sesame seed. Teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon is good.
Sesame oil.
Just a little, half.
많이 안 넣는데 나는
Yes, not
한
many.
큰술 넣을 줄 알았어.
Oh no. Oh no.
So only half tablespoon.
So we need not that much.
Ah, that smells so
So-
good.
Yeah, so this is easy, right? You guys made
Smells so good.
fresh rice and together mix.
Just this?
eating. Good.
You just pan fry the tofu both sides, nice and golden brown and crispy, and
Yeah.
like that's all you want. About on the medium high heat, it won't take that long. Okay, now I'm gonna bring the pot and we're gonna assemble this together. 뚝배기, the Korean earthstone pot, and we're gonna use this. And she already cut up half of an onion, just sliced, and yeah, show us how to assemble this.
This is onion, half onion, and then you choose. You put in.
Not
you
put
don't
in?
want to. It's okay. So I'm
It's up to
gonna.
you.
Yeah, it's up to you. We love this onion, so
Yeah.
garlic, every
My mom's food always have onion.
onion and garlic.
이거 내가 넣어줄까 그러면은 이거를 엄마가 양념을 끼얹을 수 있게.
손으로. So easy.
In Korean we call 손맛. 손맛 is a taste of the hand.
Hand.
Your hands has MSG.
Yes, right.
So layer of onion, tofu, and then the sauce.
So, and then you guys want to choose don't jorim, just sauce putting and just eating. Very good taste.
아 그렇게 먹어보라고?
So delicious. That's same. So, no cook, no problem. So we just more juicy style.
아니 이거 소스 너무 맛있게 됐다.
Yes, it's simple. Yes,
I'm
very
like-
simple.
Generally
So-
shocked at how delicious the sauce because I mean, my mom makes that sauce really often, very similar. Soy sauce, gochugaru, garlic, green onion, like a little sweetness. Like, it's so good.
Yeah, Jacob,
Jacob, come on.
come on, I give you.
And more garlic too strong.
Yeah, so just
아니
more.
짜지도 않고 너무 달지도 않고 그냥 밸런스가
This is not boil,
대박이구먼.
and the more taste is clear taste.
Not boil,
Simple.
more clean and simple and
But
fresh.
boil,
It's more complex the flavor after boil
The
because
flavor make
they all kind of boiled cooked together, so their flavor come together.
I'm gonna more
Oh, you
onion.
top the onion on top.
Yeah.
So first layer onion and last layer onion, and
So
finish like
I'm
that. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat. So start with maybe medium high heat to start to boil, and then reduce the heat to medium to simmer. Okay.
그리고 이거
이렇게
끓는
하고?
동안 저기다 밀어놓고 호박을 하나 썰어서 이제 밥 먹자고 우리 볶아서 같이. 그 호박 썰어서 볶는 거 금방
She's
보여.
hungry. She haven't eaten anything. It's almost 2 p.m. right now. She's like, oh, let's eat something. 내 자리 좀 만들어줘.
딜리셔스.
In my world, I don't worry, darling.
Tasting time.
Tasting time.
Tasting time.
I give my son-in-law Paul.
Because he's older than me. 잘 먹겠습니다.
천만에요.
That's nice.
맛있다?
Sometimes the garlic's too sharp with the garlic.
나는
Really good.
I like not cooked better. I mean, this is really good, but I probably just eat like pan fry in the sauce and just put it on top and eat it. That's what I would do. Winter time, this is better. I think during the summertime, just the uncooked better. Guys, if you liked my mom's Tofu Jorim recipe, please give this video thumbs up. Dude, this is a vegan. This is a vegetable. 저도요. This is vegan, vegetable, healthy. It's so simple, so delicious, so easy to make. The ingredients are very affordable. You definitely have to try this recipe.
Where
Thumbs up.
which one?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I give a simple recipe.
And subscribe my channel if you haven't to get more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. And somebody was driving really loud out there. Anyways, but thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is my mom, Young Gray, and this is my husband, Jacob
I give
Longast.
you easy recipe.
Say thumbs up. So, thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Enjoy.
Mwah.
Enjoy.
If you ever make my recipes, please take a picture. Tag me Seonkyoung Longest on Instagram or Facebook so I can like, comment, and shout out your cooking on my side. So please do it. Love you guys.
Yes.
Hey.
You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone. But I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way